Hey folks, today I'm diving into the secretive world of body armor manufacturing at Canarmor, located in Toronto, Canada. Ever wondered how those life-saving vests worn by military personnel are made? Let's break it down. First, we start with raw materials. The core of modern body armor is often made from Kevlar, a synthetic fiber known for its incredible strength. Fun fact, Kevlar is 5 times stronger than steel on an equal weight basis. But that's just the beginning. These fibers are woven into a fabric, creating a flexible yet strong base. This isn't your average fabric. Each thread of Kevlar is meticulously woven to ensure maximum coverage and durability. This fabric is then cut into specific shapes to fit the vest design. Next up is layering. Multiple layers of Kevlar fabric are stacked together. The number of layers depends on the level of protection needed. Generally, the more layers, the more protection, but there's a balance between protection and mobility. Too many layers and the vest becomes too heavy and cumbersome. Then comes the resin application. A special resin is applied to bond the layers together. Think of it as the glue that holds everything in place. Once the resin is applied, the layers are compressed under high pressure. This process is critical as it ensures that the layers are tightly packed and can absorb the impact of a bullet. After compression, the material is heated in a process called curing. This hardens the resin and locks everything in place. The result, a tough, bullet-resistant panel that's ready for the next step. Now, we move to assembly. The hardened panels are cut into the desired shape and size for the vest. These panels are then inserted into specially designed carriers, which are made from durable, wear-resistant fabrics. The carriers have pockets or pouches to hold the armor panels in place, ensuring they stay where they're needed most. Finally, quality control. Each vest undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets safety standards. This includes ballistic testing, where the vest is shot at with different types of ammunition. Only after passing these tests is the body armor deemed ready for use. There you have it, the secret process of making body armor at Canarmor. It's an intricate and meticulous procedure designed to protect those who protect us. Thanks for tuning in and stay safe out there. Catch you in the next video.